feel unicorny. Hi guys, today we're making unicorn popcorn. So let's put these on tray. Okay. Spread them out. We're going to be using marshmallows, sprinkles, and chocolate chips. Bonus, unicorn sprinkles. First, we're going to put some melted chocolate over the popcorn. Now purple. Now we're going to put the toppings on. Sprinkle it on. Erin, put chocolate chips everywhere. Here. He's like, I don't care if you wanted me, I still want to eat the popcorn. These marshmallows are from the Lucky Charms cereal. Let's put the marshmallows on. These ones. Erin, can you help put the marshmallows on? Sure. Oh. You're so dirty, Mr. Pig. Oh yeah, now we're really big. Erin, put your marshmallows on. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put the Lucky Charms. Put the Lucky Charms on. Erin, put these ones on. Yay! Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Hey! I'm just gonna grab a bunch and sprinkle it. Whoa! Nom, nom, whoa! Oh! Whew. You can barely see the popcorn. Wow! But you can see this one, right? You can. Now we're gonna put just a few of these unicorn sprinkles. Like this. And then this. Put it here. Then put it here. High five, Erin. Yeah! We're gonna try this. Let's roll up our sleeves. And try this. Oh! I feel unicorny. Huh? Huh? I feel so much better and unicorny